If you're using an automated cloud flow trigger like one of these, you should consider adding trigger conditions. Trigger conditions can be set in most flow triggers. These are expressions that must be true for the trigger to fire. In this Power Automate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add trigger conditions to your flows so you can control exactly when they run. If your plan has flow run limits, this helps prevent your flows from running more than they need to. Trigger conditions are helpful when you only want your flow to run in specific situations, such as when a column is changed to a specific value, an event has been updated or deleted, a new folder is created in a document library, or a specific type of email arrives. I'll walk through how to add trigger conditions to your flow. Plus, I'll show you an easy way to build the expression if you don't want to write it from scratch. To add a trigger condition to your flow, click on the three dots of your flow and select Settings. If your trigger allows for setting trigger conditions, you should see a Trigger Conditions heading in the settings of your flow trigger. To add a trigger condition, click the Add button. Enter an expression into the field. To add additional expressions, click the Add button. It's important to note that all expressions entered here must be true for the trigger to fire. Each field will accept a single expression. You can add an expression by typing out an expression directly into the field. However, if you are new to Power Automate, or if you are an avid user but find it hard to write expressions, use a filter reaction instead. I cover how to do this in the full tutorial linked in the description box below. What other trigger condition scenarios do you want me to cover next? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful and want to see more videos like this, please consider giving it a like. Check out the full tutorial here where I walk through 4 examples on how to use trigger conditions in your flows. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching!